Hey, what's going on, guys? Justin with Tier 1 Gear and EDC Reviews. And today in front of me, I actually have the all-new Evolved EDC SYN, which is actually available right now for pre-order. Link in the description. Go check it out. But over the past week and a half or so that I've had this knife, I gotta say I've completely fallen in love with it. You know me and knives. But of course, I love this configuration, this micarta with the regular ties. Just such a good look, really clean in my opinion. But a lot of times the spine of a knife is basically like a blank canvas in my opinion. It's definitely underutilized, but this knife here you can see has this beautiful ridge pattern on it, which gives it a lot of character, and honestly it's quite useful as well. But right off the bat, I noticed on this knife, this thing deploys like a freaking champ. Very, very smooth, drops shut, no problem. And of course, it is a guillotine, so you better move your finger. There's no flipper tab stopping it from hitting your knuckle or anything, which is definitely nothing wrong with. But 3.5 inches of edge on this bad boy. It is hollow ground, of course. You can see that there. It has horizontal satin flats, and the blade is actually made from L-Max. Now, of course, ceramic detent, but it's also ceramic bearings as well. That's what makes it so smooth in my opinion. I used to like phosphor bronze washers. You know, those used to be the thing, but now these days it's bearings or nothing. Milled titanium pocket clip and back spacer, of course. It's a really clean look. Like I said, ergonomic, but still neutral handle. Feels really, really good. Everything lines up great. A little bit of jimping right here that you can put your thumb on. And also, when you choke up right there, you also have that ridge or little indentation, I guess you could say. It's almost like a thumb ramp, but you can bear down if needed. But honestly, this thing's been like a razor, and haven't needed to bear down on anything because this hollow grind just cuts right through anything I've thrown at it. But anyway, this is the, of course, Demco Knives AD20, and you can see the handle is the exact same size. I mean, exact same length. I mean, I measured it, and it's absolutely perfect. But you get almost a 1/2 inch more of blade with this straight edge right here, or 1/2 inch more of edge, which if you straighten this out, it would probably, something like that. Clip points, whenever they're angled in like that, it kind of takes away from that edge. So yeah, that's one benefit to having a long straight edge like that, which I gotta say I really like. I didn't feel like it was catching anywhere on the blade, like you know, if you have like your sweet spots, stuff like that. But this didn't really have that. It's just the whole thing is just sharp, ready to cut. Did not run into a problem with this sharpening choil cutting at all either, which is a good thing, of course. But all in all, I gotta hand it to him. This knife is absolutely fantastic, and honestly, I want to try and get my hands on one here on the pre-order before it runs out, because yeah, once I have to send this to the next channel, I think I'm gonna have to cry. Anyway, the OEM is Best Tech, by the way, so yeah, they've been doing some great stuff lately. They're actually working on, I don't have it next to me, the Devo Buzz as well, which another great knife. I believe I think the pre-order already went out, or the time limit already ran out on that, but I don't know. I'll update that in the description. Anyway, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Stay safe. See you on the next one.